Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a little bit. I figure it's about time for an update. So we did get a good bit done on the truck. Obviously you saw in the last video we got the wheels. We did get the rear lights done, front lights, and finally got the side rails in for the steps there. So truck is pretty much where I want it to be. I think we done just about everything. I do have the clear caps for the mirrors. I just have to put them on at some point. But for the most part, I think we're good. Still want to do brakes, suspension, ceramic coating, some little maintenance stuff. Nothing, you know, crazy. The big point of today's video is we are going to be loading up the Skyline and taking it to P Tuning in Manassas, Virginia for the motor to get put in and the build. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the trailer hooked up, get in the truck. We're gonna go pick up the Skyline and we're gonna get to it. So we are loaded up, almost at P Tuning. So just around the corner here, about 1 mile away. We're gonna pull in. I'm gonna see what video I can do inside. I don't know what they're gonna let me do and unloading and stuff. We're gonna see how this goes. All right, so we are here, unloaded the trailer, went over a few things, signed some paperwork and stuff. So as you can see, the Skyline right there, ready to go in and get the motor swapped out. So should be pretty cool once we get it all running again. And there it is. All that's coming out, new stuff going in. Definitely looking forward to coming back down, picking it up, dyno numbers, and all that fun stuff. Seeing what we can get out of it. That's about it. This video is a little short, just more of an update. We do have some other stuff going on with the business. Obviously, been staying busy. Wicked Big Meet, different shows and stuff. For those of you that came out, I really do appreciate it. It was good seeing you. We have an Underglow line that is getting ready to drop. So if you're not aware yet, now you know. Official announcement, it is coming, and we are very close to dropping it. We're just waiting on a few last things. And so yeah, that's been pretty time consuming. We'll be doing a kit on the truck and eventually the Skyline, probably the Forester at some point as well, and doing a video so that you guys can kind of see how that process goes. So definitely stay tuned for that and look for the video coming soon. And hopefully some more tutorials and stuff, trying to get back to that at some point. I do have some plans for a few, but I'm trying to get some builds knocked out first. But definitely stay tuned.